motivation, 3 strong fit, just 25 minutes, trying to see 20 more with the film to pit. And I ain't with front, now the niggas hot. This time of metaphors, motherfuckers are black. I'm the last of the week, like you like Apollo Creed, like a bad in the rim. What's your turn full speed? Come on, man, I can go all day. Come on, man.
Denzel and he's a train today. So I played my play, my clothes ain't to spray. And I never been to war, I was trained that way, yeah. Show off success and never earn it. Bitch, don't bring these niggas around me. I'm down with steroids. Coming through with the bars. Niggas know for the MCs, not just for stealing cars, it's the NEW. All play with the niggas on the block in the state all day, yeah.
In the second grade, little fucking nigga running around with a switchblade. My trademark was in Davies and Rich Braids. Never been a trucker, never been a type to get played. I'm not a talker, not a refrain. You get up for an hour like a skip class. A snap black dreadlocks in a hoodie band. Papa got nigga right there in the movement. All the popping bars like I'm in a penitentiary. I be on hand when the people like a industry. When I do the city with my bitches on some real niggas. Like a chicken, all of them good, the hot and real niggas.
What up, y'all, man? Welcome to House of Harmony TV, Underground Music, and I'm your underground host for the day, man. It's your boy Do It All Do Kelly from the legendary hip-hop group Lords of the Underground. You know I'm repping that NJ, that 211, that Lords of the Underground, that Lord Gang, man. We are here at the Hip-Hop Press Conference, and it's going down real big. This is the 3rd annual. That's 1, 2, 3, man. 3rd annual Hip-Hop Press Conference. It's early, but it's getting packed. It's going great, man. So if you're not involved with the Hip Hop Press Conference, you need to get involved for the 4th one. The Hip Hop Press Conference, what we do here is that we have an education element to the conference where we educate artists who want to be in the business or if they want to be behind the scenes of the business. It's an entertainment portion of the conference that goes down. We're going to have, I believe, Young Z, Mr. Cheeks in here tonight, myself. It's going to be kind of fly. And then there's a whole networking part of the conference where you can mix, mingle, meet producers, meet writers, meet singers, meet hip-hoppers, meet people from the industry that can help you with your craft, man. The Hip-Hop Press Conference, man. If you ain't tuned in, then you tuned out. See you next year, baby. It's amazing.
Yo, you already know what it is, man. Gilla Casa, Gilla House of Movement, War Casino, holding down House of Harmony TV, and you already know Underground Music Box. That's that move, that's that wave, that's that Jersey wave. Salute.